Guys, this is Josh here, and for today's videos I'm going to show you on how to connect your V6 smartwatch to your smartphone. Let's go! Alright guys, welcome back to our channel again. This is Josh here, and for today's videos I'm going to show you on how to connect our V6 smartwatch to our smartphone. So all we just have to do guys is go to your Play Store and search Yoo-Hoo Band. Yoo-Hoo Band. And okay, as you can see, there's Yoo-Hoo Sports there, and just click install. Okay, it's installing now guys, and it's already installed. So let's try to open the application and allow Yoo-Hoo Sports to access media files on your device. Click allow. Access to device location, allow. Contacts, agree, just like that. And now let's try to go to these three lines here. So just click on it and then click device, and application is requesting permission to turn on Bluetooth, so just click yes, and done. So it already detected our V6 smartwatch, and click on it, and it said here syncing. Let's wait guys. And alright, so it said here it's already bound and it's uncharged. Alright, so let's check guys if it's really connected. So let's check if the find. Okay, so it took us a while guys, and then let's just click find band to make sure that it is already connected. And I'm not sure guys, but it's vibrating actually. So it does not light up, but it will just have this vibration on your V6 smartwatch. Yeah, it's just vibrating guys. Alright, and then so let's try to look at the application. So this is the home screen of the application. So on top you have here steps and today, like how many steps you got for that day, and then below you have miles and distance, kcal burned, and mists. So and then let's check the on top we have profile, so you can put your gender, age, height, and which is your preferable unit. So it's at kilometer or miles, feet or centimeters, and weight. And we have here notifications guys. So if you want to turn on your incoming call, just click on it, and your SMS, your WeChat, Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, Instagram, and Line. So it's great. And there's also like shake for selfie, so I will be having a tutorial on that. And then we have here features. Activate on wrist raise, so it means that when you're going to raise the watch, yes, alright, so it is working. That's good. Yes. And okay, we have also the band display features. It has the watch faces. It's nice. Wow, I never had like this before in another smartwatch, and for considering for the price, it's really good. And also guys, we have here the weather. So in our location, so we're living here in this area, so it's at here. And there's also like firmware upgrade here, so let's check if there's a firmware upgrade. You are running, okay, so it's alright. And privacy agreement. And I think that's it guys for this amazing watch. I think I'm gonna use this watch because you will not really like get scared when you damage it or what because of the price. But really guys, wow, I've never thought that we could do like this in our V6 smartwatch. So if you're going to tell me, wow, this watch is really good, and I hope that it can last for a long time, and I will be testing it out also for its battery and also with other functionalities. Alright guys, so if you have any questions, just comment down below, and if you like this video, kindly click the thumbs up guys, and also consider subscribing. Once again, this is Josh, and I'll see you soon.